What's going on, guys? A brand new series that I've created, the Carolina Panthers, and I want to start fresh with my channel, so please like and subscribe, and let's just take a look at our roster. I also have made some sliders, so that'll be after this, and you can see big players, Luke Kuechly, Cam Newton, Greg Olsen, and some really good players, Ryan Kyle, Kaiwan Short, another good player. I'm just going to kind of scroll through these kind of faster. And Ed Dickson, that's also a pretty good player, I would say. Fozzie Whitaker, he's going to be our kick returner this year, / punt returner, I think. And Joe Webb, who is our backup quarterback. And I kind of want to switch to a wide receiver for him. So these are my current sliders that I am playing with in my Madden 15 connected franchise. And it took me a while because I wanted to make this a lot of fun. So if you like this enough, then please share them. And I'm going to share this after this game. So enjoy the game, and let's take a look at the Tampa Bay Bucks roster first. So here is the first rivalry game of the year team. And Vincent Jackson, a pretty good player. He's been there for a while. I think Doug Martin at running back, Brandon Myers at tight end, and Bobby Rainey at running back. I'm not sure if he's going to be a starter. I am pretty sure. I really ain't sure. Brandon McGee. And there they are. Oh, and Josh McCown is starting over Mike Glennon today. So that should be big. Josh McCown over Mike Glennon. And there they are. And today we are going to be in our black uniforms, yeah. And one more thing, in the off-season and throughout the season, I want you guys to be part of this team as well. So I want you guys to help me build this roster. Comment who you guys would like on this team. Maybe you can pick someone up for free agency. Week 1 kickoff up next. And here comes Josh McCown. So the season is now underway. And he throws, and it's going to be complete. And he's 1 for 1 today. 3rd down and 5 for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Luke Stockton going in motion. He throws this pass. It's going to be complete for a Tampa Bay Buccaneer. First down to the 33. So we're coming up to 12 minutes left in the first quarter. Josh McCown throws. It's going to be complete. Not a first down yet. Gain of 8. 22 to go. And he's going to get the first down. First down, Bucks. Vincent Jackson going in motion. And Josh McCown throws. And it's going to be complete for a gain of 2. 3rd down and 9 for the Bucks. Back to throw. 2 for 2 on 3rd down today. And it's going to be complete, and he will not get the first down, so they'll be 2 for 3 now. And nice kick, Fozzie Whitaker to return, and it's going to go out of bounds at the 13. And here comes the other quarterback in the field, Cam Newton. First down at 10, Cam Newton's going to hand it off. It's Stewart, and he's going to keep going, following his blockers. He's going to get a gain of 6. From the 20, he's going to go hand off. And some nice blocking. He does a spin move, and he's going to get a gain of about 6. 6 minutes to play in the first quarter. Throws. Pass can be caught for first down. Stewart in the backfield, and he's going to go handoff. And Jonathan Stewart is going to get a loss of a yard about. 4:44 to go. Looking to throw. Pass is going to be complete to Greg Olsen, first down. To the 46. Gain of 12. Stewart in the backfield again. He goes handoff. And Stewart is going to get a gain of 4. If you're wondering where DeAngelo Williams is today, he has a dislocated ankle and he will return in 2 weeks. And now Jonathan Stewart is looking again, gain of 2. 3rd down and 4, hands it off. Jonathan Stewart will get it, and will be 1 yard shy. From 54 yards. And the kick is up, and this kick is gonna be good. 3-0. Nice kick. A $1:30 to go. He's gonna hand it off. Doug Martin, and he ain't got the first down yet. He gets up, and he's gonna keep running. Doug Martin to field, about to the 48. A very big play there by Doug Martin, back to throw. Josh McCown. It's going to be complete, and he'll get knocked out of bounds after a gain of 12. The first quarter here in Tampa Bay, Florida is now done, and the Carolina Panthers hold the lead 3-0 over our Tampa Bay Buccaneers, thanks to that 54-yard field goal attempt by Gano. So he goes outside. Doug Martin stiffs someone, and he's going to go down after getting a gain of 6. 13:23 to go from the 8-yard line. Back to throw. McCown. It's going to be caught for a touchdown for the Bucs. 7-3. 12:40 to go from the 29. Hands it off. Jonathan Stewart. He's going to go down after getting a gain of 7. Cam Newton back to throw. Pass is going to be incomplete. 11:59 to go. Pass caught by Greg Olsen. He's going to keep going across the 50, and he's finally going to go down at the 45. So he's going to go hand off. He's going to keep going, and he's going to get stopped after getting a 4-yard pickup. 2nd down and 6. Pass is going to be caught, and he'll get stopped at the 27, gain of 15. Newton goes hand off. Jonathan Stewart gets the ball, gain of 4 again. 2nd down and 6. Throws, it's going to be caught, but he'll get stopped after getting a loss of 3. And he'll get sacked, so they'll have to kick a field goal. He made one from 54. Can he get it from 51? The kick is up. It's going to be no good. 7:20 to go from the 48. Back to throw, and it's going to be way off target. The Panthers missed the field goal from 51, so they'll punt it if you're wondering why they have the ball. So it's still 7-3-37. 6 minutes to go. They would then miss a field goal, and now Jonathan Stewart gets the ball. He's going to get a loss of about 2 or 1 or nothing. Back to throw. It's going to be Cam Newton. It's going to be caught by Greg Olsen, knocks out of bounds. Cam Newton to throw. Pass is going to be caught, and it's Koshery with the completion. 1st down. And the penalty is going to be offsides on Goldson, and he'll accept it. Probably should have declined it there, but anyways, he throws and it's going to be complete to Greg Olsen. Keeps going, still on his feet, and he keeps going, and he's going to be down at the 6. From the 6-yard line, hands it off, up the middle, and he's going to get to the 2, and he fumbles it. 3rd down, hands it off, D'Angelo up the middle, touchdown. Or no, that's not D'Angelo, that's Stewart. 3rd down and 3, Josh McCown under center. Luke Stocker going in motion. And back to throw is going to be McCown. Pass is going to be caught for a 1st down out of bounds. 2nd down and 6 for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Pass is going to be caught, and he's not going to pick up the 1st down. Back to throw. McCown. Pass is caught for a 1st down. 10-7. 56 seconds to go. And it's from the 37. Jackson going in motion. McCown to throw. Pass is caught. 1 yard shy. 45 seconds to play. 32-35 this time. McCown's throw. It's caught for a 1st down. 28 seconds to play. He throws. It's going to be caught by Luke Stocker, and he's going to go down to the 26, gain of 6. It's going to be a penalty flag, and I'm assuming false start. This will put away the 1st half, and it's going to be assuming 10-10, and it will be. This will be the last play of the 1st half, and now Jonathan Stewart gets it, loss of 1 yard. So the 2nd half is now underway. I don't have a halftime report evidently, but Fozzie Whitaker starts from the 20-yard line, and he's at the 30 almost just to get up to 29 or 28. Very low-scoring game here from Tampa as he hands it off. Jonathan Stewart is across the 30, and he's going to go down at the 36. Back to throw. Twin tight ends. It's going to be caught there, and he's just going to keep going. Last catch he had was a big game. Cam Newton back to throw. He hits Greg Olsen again, and I thought he was out of bounds, but now he's at the 45 for 9.5. Cam Newton looking to throw. Pass is going to be complete there, and he's going to get to about 33. 8 completed passes in a row here for Cam Newton as he hands it off. Jonathan Stewart, he's going to get a gain of 5. 10-17 to play. To throw. Pass is going to be caught for a first down again. Gain of 10. 8:39 to go, hands it off to Jonathan Stewart, and Stewart's going to get a gain of 5. Looking to throw. Pass is going to be caught there, and he's going to get off 3. Now from the 4, hands it off. Jonathan Stewart, and he's going to be 1 yard shy. An off day here for Stewart, and he's going to get the handoff, and Stewart's going to get a loss of 1. 66 yards is all Stewart has today. Fozzie Whitaker into the game, and Whitaker cannot get anywhere. Dano's kick is up, and it is good. 13-10 Panthers. 13-10, 4:45 to play from the 48-yard line. Now he's going to go hand off to Doug Martin. Nice juke there, stiff arms him again, and they'll get a gain of 1. A very low-scoring affair from the 47. Hands it off, Doug Martin, and he'll get stopped at the 49-yard line. 5 for 8 on third down conversions, and back to throw is going to be Josh McCown. He's going to get sacked, and they'll go 3 and out. 13-10, Newton's going to go hand off. Jonathan Stewart breaks the tackle, and he's going to get a gain of 1 about. Stewart in the backfield again. Throws, pass is going to be off target. Third down and 10, throw. Pass is going to be complete, and that'll be a first down. $1:20 to go, looking to throw. Pass is going to be incomplete. Back to throw. Pass is going to be caught for a first down again. 6 receptions, 77 yards for Jericho Cotchery today, and he's going to hand it off to Jonathan Stewart across the 50, and he's just going to keep going, probably the biggest gain of the day. First down and 10, hands it off to Stewart up the middle, gain of 1. A very low-scoring affair today, only 13-10, but Carolina holds the lead. Fourth quarter is up next, and it's going to be interesting. Before we start the fourth quarter, I'd like to say to have a thumbs up on this video, as I am trying very hard to make this series be very good, and they're going to be at the 30-yard line now. So first down and 10, looking throw, pass is going to be caught for a first down. First and 10, he's going to hand it off, and he's going to get about a loss of 1 or a gain of 1. He'll get a loss, so second and 11. So looking to throw, pass is going to be almost picked off, and it is! What a pick there by Barron, I believe. Oh, that's Alteron Werner. 4-3 defense is working very good for the Carolina Panthers today, and they got the lead from that. And this pass is going to be complete, and it's going to be a first down, gain of 9. 10:53 to go from the 28-yard line. Nickel blitz for the Panthers, and back to throw is going to be Mike Glennon. Or that's not Glennon, it's Josh McCown with a pick there. He's going to keep going. He just gets slammed. That's Thomas DeCow for his first pick. Each team now has a turnover, and he's going to go hand off to Jonathan Stewart. And here he keeps going, and he's going to get a gain of 9 yards. Chains keep moving for Carolina. Now looking to throw. Pass is going to be complete, and he tries to break the tackle, and he will. It's Mike Tolbert with the completion. So second down and 6 for the Carolina offense, and now Fozzie Whitaker gets the carry, and he's going to pick up a first down. Looking to throw, pass is going to be picked off, second of the day for Cam Newton, and he's at the 10-yard line. He breaks the tackle at the 15, going to go on to the 19-yard line. 7 minutes to go. It's 13-10, Carolina back to throw. It's going to be complete, and he'll go down after getting a 9-yard gain. 5:40 to play from the 44. Back to throw. Doesn't know where to throw, but he's going to be sacked in midfield of the 47. That's Latule. 5 minutes to go, second down and 18 after an 8-yard loss. And he throws this pass. It's going to be complete to Doug Martin. He's going to get a gain of 1. You can see this play. He gets blasted and fumbles it. It was supposed to be a first down at about the 30-yard line. What a big play. 4:11 to go. They need to waste time. And now he gets the ball. And Jonathan Stewart's going to get a gain of 5. And now the second string running back is Jonathan Stewart, so now he will take over. It will be Mike Tolbert, I think. Nope, it's Fozzie Whitaker, surprisingly. And 3:31 to play, and he's going to hand it off Fozzie, and Fozzie's going to get no gain D'Angelo Williams has a dislocated ankle, and Stewart's got a dislocated elbow. So just like that, the Bucks are now in the red zone with 1:35 to go, 277 passing yards, and tight end is going in motion back to throw. Mike, I keep forgetting that, but meanwhile, touchdown, Bucks. Panthers still have 3 timeouts left here. He throws, this pass is going to be caught, and he wants to make the tackle. Cottrell will get a gain of 12. Still got 1 minute left, throws pass is going to be incomplete. Cam doesn't want to end this one. He throws, this pass is going to be caught, and Cottrell will get the completion to the 44 gain of 12. So, first down and 10, looking to throw is going to be Cam Newton once again. Pass is going to be complete, and Cottrell gets the ball, 30 seconds to go. Still 3 timeouts left, don't even know if they'll need him. Pass is going to be incomplete. Panthers just keep moving along with the same play. Pass is going to be incomplete again off target. Cam Newton throws an interception, and this game is done 17-13. I can't believe he just did that. And that was the last play of the game. So the Carolina Panthers are now 0-1 in the season. They played a great game. The game seemed to play out well. They had the lead 13-10 for a while, but they allowed that last touchdown, which blew the game.